Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to prototype with Putty. Let's start with Bluetec. Bluetec is really the best putty I found for mounting stuff on walls. It'll also work for holding things that you're working on down to the table. The problem with Bluetec is that it actually works too well and often leaves a residue. I like to use it to mount data sheets and such on the wall while I'm working on a project. Next up is museum putty. This is commonly used in museums to hold down valuable artifacts and in areas that are prone to earthquakes. I like it better than the Bluetec for prototyping purposes because it is less likely to leave a residue. You can use it to mount things to a circuit board and for holding wires in place. My favorite moldable material to prototype with for some time has been Polymer Clay. It doesn't dry out and you can use it to quickly throw a working prototype together and to help hold parts when soldering. If you have seen some of my earlier videos, then you may have seen this sensor tester I made with clay. It has a display with the common leads for sensors and it displays the raw sensor data as well as showing the max and minimum values. Please don't make a clock out of this stuff and definitely don't bring anything that looks like this to school. My favorite putty for prototyping is definitely Scotch adhesive putty. It actually does a pretty poor job at its intended purpose of mounting things on the wall, but for me that's a good thing. It is not nearly as sticky as the Bluetec and the museum putty, so it doesn't leave a residue, and it's a fair bit firmer than the other putties, so it can hold heavier objects. The best part is that it's much more heat resistant than the other putties, so you can use it for soldering. The polymer clay is also good for this purpose, but it starts to harden the more you use it with heat. This putty is really useful when testing circuit boards and building prototypes. You can hold down wires, boards, probes, and tools, just don't expect to hang anything on your wall with it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one.